Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color a powerful shark. Let's begin the drawing. Sharks are well-known predators of the ocean, recognized for their strong bodies and sharp teeth. They have an excellent sense of smell, which allows them to detect prey from long distances. Sharks live in many different ocean regions and play an important role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. When drawing a shark, a solid body shape, a sharp dorsal fin, and bold, confident lines help make the artwork look strong and clear. This species is especially suitable for practicing form, structure, and strong color application. Now, let's start coloring. And just like that, we've finished drawing and coloring the shark. It looks powerful, doesn't it? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel.